This home features many upgrades, including granite and stainless kitchen with 18 cabinets and pantry. Updated baths. Bedroom and full bath down. Den with fireplace plus formal living and dining rooms. Gleaming hardwoods down and up. Huge storage room or workshop off double garage. Oversized patio plus extra parking / turn-around area in rear. Lots of new, heating and air, hot water, and roof are just a few things. List of improvements available. Watch the world go by from your southern covered front porch. 13 by 11 entry with broken marble floor, crown, and chair rail molding. 17 by 13 living room with hardwood floor and crown molding. Formal dining room also with hardwood floor, crown, and shadowbox molding. Updated kitchen features tile floor, granite, tumbled marble backsplash, stainless appliances, 18 cabinets plus pantry and eat and breakfast area. Also stainless appliances in your updated kitchen. Separate eat and breakfast area in the kitchen for casual dining. 19 by 13 den features gas log fireplace with raised brick hearth, crown molding, random width pegged hardwood, paneled walls, and exposed wood beams and ceiling. Spacious 21 by 12 master bedroom down with hardwood floor. There are 2 walk-in closets in the downstairs master bedroom. Updated full bath downstairs with raised granite vanity and walk-in shower with Carrara marble. All of the upstairs bedrooms features hardwood flooring. Huge walk-in floored attic provides much-needed storage space. You will enjoy your patio and shaded rear yard. Plus, there's an extra parking pad / turn-around space on the driveway. Co-listing agent Hugh Mallory with Marx-Bensdorf Realtors 901-497-9756. This lovely home is move-in ready.